guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 things from the Sephora Vib sale that you need. So the big spring sale at Sephora is finally upon us. From April 20th to April 23rd, both VIBs and Beauty Insiders can shop and save either 15 or 10%. So I'm going to have the dates and all the links and the codes that you need to purchase anything down below. I'll have everything that I show in this video down below. This is the perfect time to stock up on things that you absolutely love, but then also it's the perfect time to purchase things that you might not normally buy because they're a little too pricey. So if you are new to my channel, then hello, my name is Shay and I'm so glad you're here. I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. I make a lot of videos on fashion and style, but then I also throw in these beauty videos every once in a while. I'm definitely not a makeup artist, but nevertheless, I love sharing beauty products that are the best. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna jump right into this video, and like I said, I have 10 things that I think are just like the best things that I think you guys should try. I'm so excited to share these things with you. And like I said, some things are brand new, so I technically don't know if they're the best. I've just heard so many good things, so it's like the perfect time for me to try things. And then other things I'll be sharing are legitimately the best. Like I love them and can't live without them. Okay, I probably could live without them, but you guys know what I mean. So the first thing that I want to share, this is brand new. I bought this at the sale. It is the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3, and I have heard amazing things about this from, people online, like on YouTube, all the way from people in my real life who just swear by this, who say it's basically magic for your hair. So I am so excited to try this. My hair last year was very blonde. It definitely was a little bit damaged, and now that's kind of the reason that I went to brown, just to kind of make it less damaged in a way and, try and grow it out a little bit and make it look a little bit healthier, but I still feel like my hair isn't the greatest, especially towards the ends. So I'm really hoping this repairs and strengthens, and I'm just very interested to see what this will do for my hair. The next thing that I picked up is this eye palette, and I haven't even opened it yet. I ordered it, but my friend has this. We went shopping together and she purchased it, and I was just like blown away by how like creamy and just amazing quality this palette was. As she was putting on her makeup, because she came back to my house and she was doing her makeup with it, I was like very, very impressed with it. So let me just open it, but even though I already have like way too many eye palettes, like I really do have way too many eye palettes, I just wanted to add this to my little collection. I love how it's like this velvety soft palette. It just feels really good. And then the colors are very, very warm, but there's a nice selection of matte shades and shimmery shades. And like I said, they are extremely creamy, extremely blendable. And if you look on Sephora's website, this is getting rave reviews. If you watch any YouTube videos about makeup and, eye palettes and eye makeup looks, this is getting rave reviews. So again, if you are interested in purchasing an eye palette at this sale, definitely consider this one. Now I'm just gonna jump into something that I didn't order at this sale, but I've just been using for the last few months, and it's really been a game changer, and I really suggest it. And what it is the Tarte Knockout Tingling Treatment. So basically this is a toner for your face. So after you wash your face, you're gonna take one of these little like cotton pad thingies, and then you're gonna wipe off your face, and you're gonna be amazed at how much extra makeup comes off. But that's not the reason I love it. The reason I love it is it really exfoliates my face. It really leaves my face kind of tingling. It kind of gets the blood flowing a little bit. It's not crazy or anything, but when I wake up the next morning and I'm washing my face feels so incredibly smooth. It just really has improved the texture of my skin, the brightness of my skin. It's just one of those products that really has made a difference. And again, the reviews are phenomenal. I love reviews because I really feel like you get an idea of the product. But anyway, yeah, this is the Tarte Knockout Toner product. Highly suggest. The only other skincare product that I want to talk about in this video is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This is like a serum, and this is another skincare product that has made a huge difference. I do the Knockout Toner first, the Tarte one that I just talked about. It'll absorb into my skin, and then I'll apply 2 drops of this serum. It'll just immediately go into my skin. It doesn't feel sticky or weird, and I just go to bed. It's a night repair, so it does a lot of correcting and fixing with your skin while you sleep. Shout out out to Lux Mommy or Amanda. She suggested this to me and I decided to pick it up, and I've been very impressed with it. It is a little bit pricey, but like I said, this is the perfect time to try it out, and it has amazing reviews, and we just have to start taking care of our skin. It's not like the most fun thing in the world, but when you start seeing results, then it becomes worth it. Back to makeup, I want to talk about bronzers. This is probably my favorite bronzer. It's the Too Faced. It's like almost done. Too Faced. It's like a shimmery bronzer. It's called the Baked Luminous Glow Bronzer. So I definitely suggest this one, but I did want to share the one that I picked up at the sale. And since this is very shimmery, I think it's great for summer and spring actually, but I do want a matte one, and I used to have this one. It is the Matte Waterproof Bronzer, and it's in Park Ave Princess. I would say last year I completely ran out of this. I love it. It's just a very nice matte bronzer. I love Tarte for the amazing ingredients. There's no parabens. There's just no bad things going into your skin or anything that you're breathing in. So I just love Tarte, and I wanted to stock up on this bronzer. So like I said, these are my favorite, the Too Faced and the Tarte. I'll just throw this in here really quickly. This is something that I think everybody stocks up on at the Sephora sale, and what it is just a beauty blender. I love my beauty blender. I usually go for the pink one, but I keep hearing really great things about the Beauty Blender Pro, which is the black. So I'm really anxious to try it out and see if I notice a difference. I don't think it'll be a huge difference, but I'm only mentioning this because this is definitely something that people love to stock up on at this sale. Another thing that people love to stock up on is mascaras. And right now I actually have eyelash extensions. I don't really know if I'm going to keep on with that, but in case I don't, I did want to stock up on my favorite mascara. Honestly, my all-time favorite, which you guys might know if you've been watching my channel, is the Chanel mascara, just like the classic Le Volume Chanel mascara, which I will link that one down below because you guys need to try that one too. It is awesome. But at Sephora, my favorite is the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. The next thing that I picked up at the sale is this Saint Tropez tanning mousse. I have gone through many a bottle of this. I don't have it on right now, but it is something that I highly suggest you guys try out for spring and summer. It's just going to make you look really glowy and nice. This is a great one to try. There's some others out there, but I always run back to this one. And I also suggest that you guys just throw in the cart, just get the tanning mousse that is by Saint Tropez. I put it off for the longest time, like, oh, I'm just gonna use my hands, like I'm not gonna spend money on this, but this just makes it go on so nice. It doesn't make your hands stained, and I don't know, I just really think this makes a big difference, and it's really cheap. So just add it to your cart if you're gonna buy this. Mine is just in the classic shade. They do have a darker one if you wanna like really get tan, but you know, this is an oldie but a goodie, but it has a really great reputation, and I can't wait to use it pretty soon. Speaking of oldie but goodies, this is the next thing that I want to mention, and it is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. So I used to wear this back in high school. It was quite a while ago, and it was amazing. But of course, at that time, like so many other foundations were coming out as I was in high school, college, after college. I mean, foundations really blew up. So I got away from this, and I really got sucked into Kat Von D and Urban Decay, and I still love those foundations, but I was actually getting my eyelashes done, and she was telling me about the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and I was like, oh my gosh, like I used to wear that, and it was amazing. So I went out and I purchased it, and I've been wearing it for a while now, and I'm probably gonna actually need to order more soon. I probably should place an order for this sale, but oh my gosh, guys, this is amazing. This is full coverage, but it goes on so nicely, and it really stays put, and it really holds back my oil. So if you're an oily person, oh my gosh, like just for me, just try this out because it makes such a huge difference in controlling your oil throughout the day. And I feel like so many products out there say, oh, it's gonna control your oil, it's gonna like reduce shine. Never works, but this really does. Like I still touch up, you know, towards the end of the day, like a little bit of a powder thing, but for the most part, I don't even need to. And it's just, yes. I honestly don't know if this is the 10th thing. I think it might be. But what it is the Healthy Deodorant by La Vanilla. And I've talked about this on my channel before. I've really kind of raved about it before. So I'm sorry I'm repeating myself, but I did pick it up. It's brand new. And I wanted to mention again because it really is important to have healthy deodorants. This area of your body is very porous. It goes directly to your chest, and regular deodorants have a lot of toxins, a lot of aluminum and metals, and it's directly correlated with breast cancer. So I know I don't really like preach many things regarding health and like what you should do with your life on my channel, but I just really suggest, or at least like research a little bit about healthy deodorants. And this particular product has really kind of helped me make the switch because it not only smells really, really good, but it really does feel and has a good texture like normal deodorant. Many other natural ones out there, they don't really work that great and they kind of feel weird. But with this one, I really don't notice a big difference. And the smell, they have a lot of different scents, but the one I love, it is the vanilla grapefruit, which sounds weird. It does not smell like that in my opinion whatsoever, but it just smells really good. Alrighty, I guess that does it for this video. I was, pretty short and to the point, but that's the kind of videos that I love. But if you could do me a really big favor and comment down below what you really suggest for me and for everybody else to buy at this sale, like just make sure they are like your holy grail things that you just really, really love. I would love to hear that. And since the sale is still live, maybe I'll make another purchase. I do want to order more of this anyway, but thank you guys again for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Thanks again, guys, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye. I've been loving everything you want.